Welcome back to What We're Bodging. So this is February's recap of what's been going on in the channel. So we've had a few new goodies turn up, one of which being the Revopoint Inspire 3D scanner. So we're going to be using this to scan a few bits and make a few modifications. I've already done a scan of the wrap front end, but we're going to try some random things. Maybe try scanning a few mirrors, see if we can print them directly on the resin printer. So here we've got the scan of the front bumper using the Revopoint Inspire that we're using for reference. There'll be a further video on how to use the scanner and the software. Here's the front bumper imported into Fusion. As you can see, some of the detail on it, it's pretty good. And I've started to model the bumper itself so I can modify it. As I say, this should hopefully be in a further video. One of the other things we've had turn up is the Midnight Pumpkin. We've gone for the black edition. Now I know I said no more projects, but this don't count because it's a late Christmas present. I'm using that excuse anyway. So there'll be a build video on that, along with some modifications. I've also got Tamiya's new BT-01 chassis. There's already an unboxing video and a full detailed chassis build on it. We went for the mid-engine rear-wheel drive setup. I'll put a link to the video somewhere in the corner. But we're also going to see about getting my intercooler kit and caliper kit to fit on the new chassis. Hopefully that'll be coming this month. I haven't forgot about the brat. As you've seen in the previous clip, we've got a 3D model of the front bumper and lights, which I want to use to modify, but that's going to involve form and surface modelling in Fusion 360. So that's just something new to learn, and I'll hopefully be doing a video on that. So we'll see you in the next one.